There.
Bitte? Da, siehst du?
Da.
Da siehst du.
Hallo.
Ganze Weg.
The other one is there.
Mama,
Yes?
die ist kein Füße.
Nee.
Mama, und dann nur,
Oh, it's
Mama, und
walking.
dann nur
Look,
Blätter.
it's jumping, running very fast, going up, making a little bit of noise. Oh, look at it.
Mama, guck mal.
Really enjoying.
Mami, wo geht die Miete Wasser? Kann die nicht?
Die können nicht schwimmen. Die können aber nicht schwimmen.
You see,
Mama,
it's really walking,
kann du
walking higher, jumping higher. Very good exercise. If you can that, it's a very wonderful exercise.
kann die nicht da?
I love seeing these babes. This brother is there. They are right running, and the other one is going very far. The other one is running, and he is going and going and going. Look at it. Let's go this side and look at the other one. Please, whenever you see this, enjoy it, subscribe, share, comment, and more are coming. Let's make it together. We can grow and go further. Yeah, they have a YouTube. It's hacked. Look at it. Wow. Wow. It's balancing on a rope. You know, those are the things we used to do when we were kids. It's hiding there. Maybe it's a bit sunny. And the other one is here, just enjoying. And here is water. So we are in the Berlin Antiag Park, I mean. So we're gonna make it. Look at the other one. I don't know what he's thinking and eating. It's now happy looking at me. Ah, the brother, can call him the brother or the partner or the sister, I don't know. The other one is walking. Oh, they are enjoying. Now they have to hide from the heavy sun, though it's not that heavy. Maybe for the abs this heavy sun. So the other one is there looking and enjoying the sun. Yeah, what a beautiful nature. Love nature, watching nature, doing anything with the nature. What all the nature brings is what we're gonna take. Enjoy. Enjoy. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Turn on the subscription button and you'll get more. Thank you.